Hello, my dear students. Today we are doing revision short 2 for principles of inheritance and variation. I'm Dr. Javed Iqbal. Incomplete dominance, the simplest explanation. What is incomplete dominance? In incomplete dominance, neither allele is completely dominant. And we talk about F1 generation, like for example, in this case, you have the examples from the textbook itself. You have red, capital R, and then you have, let me take other color from here. Then you have white, smaller, you cross them, you will get F1 generation, that is capital R, small r. As per Mendel's laws, it should be like, it should be red, F1 generation should be red, but it is not red, it is pink. And when we do the selfing of this, so we get both red and pink. Red, white, and pink. In the ratio of red is 1, pink are 2, and white. So that's the dominance is incomplete here. As per the Mendel's law, the F1 generation should be red only because this capital R red should be dominant. But it is not like that. So this is the deviation from Mendelism itself. As a result, the F1 generation shows an intermediate mixed phenotype. The example given in your textbook is Snapdragon. It's also called as dog flower or Antirrhinum majus. And then why does this happen? Why incomplete dominance happens? You know the concept of dominance we have learned. A gene gives instructions. You know the gene gives instructions to make a protein or an enzyme. The enzymes control how a trait appears. Alleles can produce normal enzymes. Alleles can produce less efficient enzymes. They can produce non-functional enzymes. They cannot produce enzymes at all. Now, why dominance happens? It happens if one allele produces enough enzyme, the trait appears normal, that is dominant. If the other allele produces no or faulty enzyme, it cannot show its effect, that is, it will become recessive. Now, in incomplete dominance, the dominant allele does not produce enough enzyme. So the trait appears partially expressed. A result, intermediate phenotype, that is pink. So this is very important topic. The ratio for both genotype and phenotype, that is phenotypic ratio, is 1:2:1. One is red, two are pink, and one is white. You must remember the example. They will start the question with an example, and you know now what is the reason for this incomplete dominance. Hope you understood the topic. It's very important one. Just remember these examples. Snapdragon, it's also called as dog flower or Antirrhinum majus. So they will start the question from the example itself because the questions will be competency based. So the questions may start with from the example itself. So I hope you understood this concept. Thank you very much.